Setting up 4G, quick and easy installation. Remove the smart base from the packaging. Gently screw the antenna into the smart base, finishing in an upright position. Press the button once to power on the smart base. The device will beep 3 times. Open the Hivemate app on your phone. Log in and add your hive by scanning the QR code. Ensure your app is online and paired to your hive. Make sure you set the hive's initial weight to 0 via the dots in the top right of your selected hive. Gently place your hive into your smart base, ensuring the hive is sitting securely. Manually activate your smart base by pressing the button once again. When not in use, you can press and hold the button until 2 beeps are heard, then release the button to power off the smart base. It will show transition status on your app. Work smarter with Hivemate.